welcome back to my channel. Another day. Right now we are at Sonmargh in Kashmir and heading to Ladakh state today. Going to Kargil. Beautiful Sonmargh. Check out the drone shots what I just took in the morning. Beautiful sunrise. Stay tuned as we have an exciting day ahead. Driving to Kargil through Drass and couple of beautiful spots en route. Hope to stop and take some shots. Let's see. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. Thank you. So we are stuck here at Sonmargh. There's clearing the landslides, so I'm waiting for that. Beautiful Sonmargh. It's white all round and it's really cold. Temperatures are way below zero, even though it's like 9 in the morning. This is a mighty Zozila pass heading towards Leh Srinagar highway. This is what was blocked, the landslide, and all this, they've cleared it. They're expecting fresh landslides and avalanches here, so we just stopped. The traffic is stopped at Zozila. as we drive to Kargil through this beautiful Himalayan mountain ranges. Follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Also, do give me a thumbs up if you do like this video. So finally we reached our hotel here at Kargil after a long adventurous day. So this is the room we are staying here today. Check it out. So also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet. My Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. So that's it for today. We had a long tiring day with a lot of adventure, crossing Zozila Pass, getting stuck in the Avalanche, and then coming to Kargil late evening, which was planned to come earlier. But we did the war memorial, Kargil war memorial, which is a very nice place. Got to know a lot of the history of the India-Kargil war, India-Pakistan Kargil war. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. So until tomorrow, it's ciao, adios, and goodbye. Thank you for watching, and do give me a thumbs up if you like this video.
Ooh.